hours from the
I know.
announcement.
Still, front runner will not mention.
Okay.
Better.
Okay.
Because everybody is interested candidate. Everybody is valuable for us. So we'll go by that.
सर कितले कॅन्डिडेट्स आहा तुमच्या मुखार अशे कितली नांवां आयल्यात पणजे खातीर?
आपण ते क्वेश्चनची नाव नाका कितलेशे येवंक शकतात न्ही येतात तीन येतात चार येतात सो whichever names have come they are under our consideration.
सो अशोक नायकाचें नांव येयलां सर?
ते कोण आसा अशोक नायक येवन मेळ्ळो न्ही म्हाका.
हां.
अशोक नायक एक्सप्रेस इज विश टू जॉइन काँग्रेस पार्टी.
ओके. गोवा सुरक्षा मंच कित्याक आयलें सर?
गोवा सुरक्षा मंच न्ही अशोक नायकाची मनीस आयिल्ली.
आनी गोवा सुरक्षा मंचाचे आयले न्ही सर?
नाही तातूंत कोण आशिल्ले खंयचे पार्टीचे हांव नकळो. अशोक नायक आपले मनीस गोंया आयिल्ले. तातूंत ते इतर खंयचे संस्थांचे मेंबर आशिल्ले.
But they supported his candidature.
जे कोण आयिल्ले तांचे सपोर्ट.
Okay.
So Ashok Naik want to contest on Congress ticket or any other?
Obviously. He has expressed his wish. The final decision of his will come tomorrow.
आनी वॉट अबाउट वाळपय सर? वाळपयचें जालो फायनल?
फायनल जावंक ना. जावंक ना. सी रॉय नायक came. Then Sandesh Nalvikar, 2 persons came here, Sandesh Nalvikar. Similarly, Ashok Naik came from Panji. All those names are under consideration.
सर पूण आतां हाजे मुखार प्रोसिजर नॉर्मली पार्टीचो कितें आसता फॉर कॅन्डिडेट?
Procedure is that we have to send a proposal as on behalf of PCC. I have to send a proposal to AICC through Chandrakumar because he is secretary in charge of Goa West.
So you have to propose a person's name for the particular council, okay. Which will then be forwarded to the AICC and approved from there. Okay.
पूण सर केन्ना मेरेन फायनल जातलें?
I would prefer if it is finalized today. If you ask me. But I expect by Monday it will be finalized.
By Monday. दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेट दोन्ही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी.
So will you seek support from GIL?
We will seek support from any force or political party which believes in Congress ideology or Congress party and Congress leadership.
And going by the pool of candidates that you have in front of you right now for both the constituencies, what do you think, sir, are the chances of the Congress returning to power, especially in Barpur, where it is a constituency which was held by Congress even in the recent assembly polls? So what do you think are the chances of Congress retaining that and maybe making better than what you did last time for Panjim?
We just see in both places we have got such candidates with respect to which BJP is worried. In fact, with respect to one candidate, BJP is directly and indirectly threatening that candidate. You can imagine the nervousness which has cropped in the minds of BJP.